Hey guys, Animus Travels here with breaking 4.80 quake from Susanville near two national forests that are in that area with a small city named Port Ola. I guess that's how you pronounce the city. It was really hard for me to read, but I hope I have that city right or that county right. Anyhow, I hope the earthquake didn't cause too much damage to those who live in that area. What the map showed me is that it looks to be a farm area, or at least a vast area where not that many cities are, or towns, are. Heck, it could even be a valley. I'm not entirely sure. However, I hope those who live in that area are doing good and not that many structures or people were severely damaged or injured because of it. Well, I hope everyone there is doing okay. Till next time, everyone, stay tuned.